Hello, my friends. I don't know about you, but in the summertime, I enjoy going to the beach, doing outdoor activities, having some barbecues with friends and family, and so on. Imagine millions of people who enjoy doing the same thing during summer. And I'll tell you, if you're in e-commerce, there's a huge opportunity to boost sales. And before the summer starts, many people like to be prepared with all the necessary products that can upgrade and help to enjoy a better summertime, including me, because that's what I do. I love summertime, best season of the year. And now you can actually take advantage of increasing demand for these summer products by adding them to your eBay store. Now, the main questions that probably come to your mind are: when is the best time to start listing summer-related products? Or how can I find good product ideas with the current demand in the market? Or how can I boost my products to appear in the main product pages in the search results? Or I don't know, how can I market my products and increase my sales? Don't worry, my friends. During this video, I'm gonna answer each of these questions. And before I show you how to prepare your eBay store for this summer season, let me introduce myself. If you're new here, I'm Rogério Betker, and I produce reliable e-commerce content every week for this channel. And I would appreciate it if you hit the like button, because it supports us to keep producing this helpful content for you free of charge. Now, first thing that we have to talk about, let's discuss when is the best time to start listing summer related products. So let's break it into two. The first part that you have to think about is the SEO perspective. And SEO stands for search engine optimization, and it relates to how buyers can find our products in the search results of eBay. Now, we will want to list the items around 1 month before the beginning of summer, which starts around June 20th. So we can start listing items around the end of May, and that will help the eBay algorithm to have enough time to index our products in the relevant search terms in the search results. And the second thing to think about is the customer behavior perspective. That's another reason why I like to start listing summer items in advance, is that I want to target products for the early planner customers. And this vast share of customers prefers to buy what they need for summer in advance and not in the last minute. So we're talking about a huge number of potential buyers, and by listing products early enough, we can enjoy early summer sales. So after understanding why it's better to list products in advance, let's talk about how to find which products are better to list in your eBay store. And as you know, the market demand is affected by trends. And by using these three methods I'll show you in this video, you'll be able to understand the best product ideas to list in your eBay store, follow the recent trends, and also ensure that you're offering relevant products the market is looking for. So let's talk about method number one, which is Amazon new releases. A great way to find these trendy items for summer is by using Amazon. And you can imagine that if there are trending products, they will appear on Amazon and be available for sale. But my secret method right here for finding these trending products is to go to Amazon.com if you're selling in the US market, or any other Amazon marketplace if you're selling in different eBay marketplaces. And then you click new releases on the top tab. Or if you don't see it, like for example, right now, for some reason I'm not seeing it, no problem at all. You go to Google and then you type Amazon new releases like this. And then you scroll down and then you click here in the results, boom, and then there you have it. Now, let me share with you why the new releases section is a special place for getting ideas for trending and rising products. These days, for sellers to succeed in Amazon, they often need to buy a large quantity of products from the supplier, brand the product with a nice logo and packaging, and ship all these units to Amazon if they want to get the Prime symbol, which is what most private label sellers are doing these days. And as you can imagine, all of this process requires a large initial investment. And that's why every product currently located in the new releases counts for me as a recent product whose seller has done thorough market and product research to find the best item to invest in. And we can benefit from the seller's hard work and get ideas for trending products for the upcoming summer. And this is how we're going to identify these items so we can have a better idea of which summer products are trendy and worth drop shipping. So I'll go here to the left side of my screen where all the product categories of Amazon appear and identify product categories related to summer. For example, home and kitchen, patio, lawn and garden, sports and outdoors, and any other categories that where you think you can find products related to summer. For this example, let's just go with patio, lawn and garden. For me, it's quite obvious summertime, right? As you can see here, I can filter it even more and get more products by clicking on the subcategories on the left. So now that we're here in the patio, lawn and garden category, let's see what products we have here. The first one that pops is, product number one is this plug-in flying insects trap. So let's select this product here because obviously this product is in demand and also a little bit different than the other common insect traps that I've seen. Look at this. It has sold more than 10,000 times last month. For me, it makes sense to have a mosquito trap for this time of year because summer is quite a season for mosquitoes and other insects getting into your house. Okay, let's save this product here. Now let's select two more products. I think this one actually looks good. This garden hose sounds like a good product to sell for summer. Either for watering your garden or playing with the kids outside, it's great. And another point for this product is that usually people tend to replace their old water hoses during this time of year. And this product seems quite reliable as it's made of metal stainless steel and it has sold more than 5,000 times in the last month. Because of this material, stainless steel, I think it's definitely worth saving this product here. Now let's look for another one. Check this one out right here. This is quite interesting. This is a good product idea. This is a secure plastic plant clip. And honestly, I wouldn't be aware of this product without using Amazon new releases. Summer is the perfect timing for, taking care of your garden and also planting vegetables and so on. And these plant clips right here are so practical and necessary. I have some at home that I had to make it myself from like a wire cord. So after recording this video, I will order some, definitely. And look at this. It has sold more than 2,000 times in the last month. It's in demand and it's not so obvious. Now let's take one of these products and validate the demand in Zig's product research tool. Okay, so Insect Trap has a sell-through rate of almost 3,000%, an 83% successful product listing rate, which is quite high, and it has generated a revenue of pretty much $44,000 in the last 30 days. And what calls my attention here, look at this. Wow, look at this. It's this trend. Look at this trend. The sales trend is increasing as we approach summer. So I really consider this product a great product for the summer. And all we have to do now is to find more of these products using Zig and list them according to the guidelines for the average product price and the item specifics of the best selling items like color, size, and so on. And also because we found this specific insect trap using Amazon's new releases, there are probably not many competitors for this item on eBay yet. I would say at least less than 50 for sure. So let's check that out. That would mean that we would enjoy selling this product in our eBay store if we're drop shipping from Amazon. So let's do this. Now, how can you check this? You can check how many competitors this product currently has on eBay by searching part of the Amazon product title on Zig or like the whole title like this. For example, you copy here, then you paste here like this, and then boom, there you have it. You have 21 listings. There are a few competitors, but not so many. It's a perfect timing. There's still room for this product on eBay. So what do you think about this method of finding trending summer items and verifying them using Zig Analytics? Leave us a comment if you found this method useful, and let's keep moving forward. And the second method for identifying trending products for the upcoming summer is by using the power of data. And for this, I'll go to the 500 best-selling items on eBay available for the Pro Plus plan and Enterprise plans of Zig Analytics. And here you can find the top 500 best-selling items across all of eBay, which is one of the best indicators to understand what summer products are trending or not, or are going to be trending this year. And remember that this list is updated every 48 hours with the best selling items on eBay. So using this powerful tool, I'm going to show you how to identify these rising trending products. And what I like to do is to not check these products one by one. Instead, I'll add keywords related to the summer in the search bar. And here I can add the keyword summer and I'll get all the best selling items that have the keyword summer in the title. So good keyword ideas can include summer, outdoor, 2024, patio, lawn, yard, and so on. And once we find a good product with high potential, you can check its stats using the product research tool. And if it's a good product, you can find related or the same products and list them into your eBay store. And the last method to find trending products for this video will be the bulk scanner, which is also available for the Pro Plus and Enterprise plans of Zik Analytics. The main idea of this tool is to show us filtered data with all the best products from our list of competitors that we have saved on Zik. Now, for this method, you will need to have some saved sellers in your Zik account. And if you don't have any, you can quickly find good sellers to add to your competitor list by going to the Market Insights dashboard. But remember to set your seller settings correctly. All right, so you have to set the settings to fit your criteria. For example, you can come here and say, I'm selling on ebay.com, my business model is dropshipping, and my supplier is amazon.com. Then you can go to the training dropshippers area and save some of these sellers that meet your business model and supplier criteria. If you see this little emoji, fire emoji next to the seller, this means that the seller is a good seller with a high sale rate. And then you simply save the competitor to your list like this. And then you click here. And after you have a list of sellers that you saved, we can continue with the method of finding trending summer products using the bulk scanner. And for this, I will click on the bulk scanner and use the multi-scanner option. Using the multi-scanner, I'll be able to select up to 5 of my saved competitors and see what are their best-selling items. And then from these sold items, I can identify summer-related products. So I will just select here 5 competitors like this and click add to multi-scanner. And for the settings, I'll just select a minimum of 6 sales in the last 30 days. And then we can source the products from Walmart and Amazon. This is less important as we want to get ideas for trending summer related products. And once we know which items are trending, we can source them from any supplier that we're working with. So now you just click here, create a scan. After the scan is ready, all I need to do is to look for products that are related to summer. And once I find them, I can do the same as I did with the last 2 methods that I shared with you. So I can just add these products or the niche name to the Zik's product research tool, and I'll check their stats and look for this item with my suppliers. So now, after we found good product ideas for summer, are you ready to boost these product listings so they will appear on the main search page on eBay? And before I share with you how to do it, I would really appreciate if you would smash the like button and subscribe to our channel, because this way we can keep bringing valuable content for your e-commerce journey. So now basically we just have to boost listing traffic using SEO. After you found summer related products and you want to list them to your eBay store, I would recommend doing this step so eBay's algorithm called Cassini will identify the products that you listed as the more unique items. And this can happen by using optimized product titles. And before we list the product manually or use a product monitor to do it, I'll go to Zik's title builder and draft a unique and well optimized title for the product that you found. So I'm going to choose one here. All right, so this is my title, and I'll take the title that I created using Zik's title builder and paste it into the folder with the product like this, save. And if you want to increase the product visibility even more, in addition to a well-optimized product title, you can use ChatGPT to create unique product descriptions based on the same product description from the supplier. Also, here, the eBay algorithm will understand that we listed a unique product. But this time, not only the product title is unique, but the product description is unique as well, which will push the visibility of our product in the search engines even higher. And the nice part about using the power of artificial intelligence is that you don't need to do much to get a unique product description. All you have to do, you copy the product description from your supplier like this, and then you go to ChatGPT, and then here you write ChatGPT, something like this. I am an eBay seller and I want to rephrase a product description. And in the rephrase that you're creating, please keep the core details and rephrase the rest of the text. Here's the text that I want you to rephrase. All right. And then I paste the product description and enter. And check it out. It's beautiful, right? It's beautiful. An amazing product description that we got here. So now we can have a unique and well-optimized product listing. Let's briefly talk about marketing within eBay. And this is not a mandatory step, but if you're looking to increase your sales and exposure on eBay, you can use eBay promoted listings. And this is a nice feature that eBay offers to its sellers. We can set a percentage on the sale in addition to the eBay fee rate, and eBay will promote our listings higher in the search result. So next to our product list, buyers will be able to notice a small sponsor tag. And if the buyer purchases the product using the promoter listings, eBay will collect a certain percentage that we agreed to in addition to the regular eBay sales fee. The nice part is that we will pay the extra fee only if the buyer bought the product using the promoted listing, and not if the buyer only clicked the product like most of the sponsored platforms will have these days. But remember that we can add promoted listings, but we need to make sure that we are still profitable. So let me show you how to set a promoted listings. You go to your eBay seller account and look for the product that we listed, and then you click here, edit, and then promote listings. And then you set a rate that leaves room for profit. And after that, eBay will start to promote this product all over eBay when buyers are looking for product, and also outside of eBay on other websites that eBay uses to advertise. This is a nice boost that we can give to our product, especially in the beginning, to get some sales history to the product listings and so on. And of course, we can stop the promoted listings anytime we want. I am sure that now you're all set to get your dropshipping store ready for summer. So thank you so much for watching this video. Keep moving forward and see you next time.